Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Today is Tuesday, January 26th, 2021. We'd like to say welcome back to our A-Week students. We haven't seen you guys since before the Christmas break, so we are certainly glad to see you, glad to see everyone, but certainly glad to see you all. We hope that you enjoyed your break and that you are ready to dive into some serious learning. Okay, by now you've already done your lessons with Miss Joyner about brushing your teeth and having a pretty smile, and you also got some information in there about bones and more information about teeth. This morning for your Explore Math, you'll be doing the lesson with Dion, Morgantown Trip Budget, and that's already waiting for you in Explore Math. And then for your News to You math, it is the Great Kindness Challenge. So it's all about showing kindness. And in that lesson, you will be identifying which set is greater. But today, for our unique learning math. Teachers, if you did not complete your lunch request, hold on 1 second. Okay, just an announcement. Okay, for today's assignment, we are going to be writing and simplifying expressions using subtraction. I highlighted that word simplifying, and simplify is just a big word that means to make things easier to understand. Okay, this shouldn't come as a complete surprise to you all. I think you had already started some of this with Miss Bryson. Yes, okay. Alrighty, so again, we are writing and simplifying expressions using subtraction. Okay, my screen is shared with you, so I'll just go here to our page. That's the thing with these borders. Alrighty, today is Tuesday, as we've already said. And we will just scroll on down to our unique learning for math. That screen is weird. Okay. All right. Again, we
write and simplify a subtraction expression when you see these words. How many are left? How many more than? How many less than?
All right. Again, so we are writing and simplifying subtraction expressions. So we write and simplify, which means just make easier to understand a subtraction expression or just a subtraction problem when we see these words. When we see how many are left, how many more than, or how many less than. A lot of times we see these in our problems. They're like clues that let us know that we will indeed be subtracting. Okay, for our first step, we are going to write the expression. So we will fill in the empty spaces with the known number. Sometimes when we read a problem, we don't know what the number is, right? We see this alphabet, which they call a variable. Can you guys say that word? Variable? Very good. It's a mouthful. So a variable is just basically this letter. It's a letter that just stands for the unknown number. We don't know that number yet. They haven't given it to us yet. So if we were to read this problem,
A minus B.
A minus B. Can we subtract letters? No, very good. We cannot subtract letters, but we can subtract numbers. Okay, so these are variables, which are just letters that are just like placeholders until we plug our numbers in. Okay, our first step is, after we write the expression, our next step is to simplify the expression. And to do that, we're simply going to replace the unknown variable with the given number. Do we see any numbers here? No, not yet. What they're doing is they're just setting us up for it. They're just showing us what steps we're going to follow. Okay, and let's wait on that bell. Okay, so, all right, after we replace our, put our numbers in with the unknown variable, Then we are going to simplify, which simply means we are going to do what? Anybody know what that word is? Very good. Subtract. We are going to subtract the numbers. And then we will write the difference in the empty space. So it's simply going to read
A minus B.
Okay. All right. So who can tell me what we're doing again? We are simplifying what? Simplifying what? Can you say it again? So we are subtracting. We are simplifying expressions. Very good. Okay. Let's go on to the next page and we're going to try to plug in some of this information, okay? Randy is doing arm circles at the gym. You guys do arm circles sometimes when you're warming up for PE, right? Get you all nice and loose and ready for your exercises. Yeah, you like that, don't you? PE is coming. Okay, Randy has to do 20 arm circles. What's this letter we see? A. Okay, so for A, they're giving us some information that Randy has to do 20 arm circles. So we have a number here. B, he has done B arm circles so far. Is 20 a number? Yes, 20 is a number. Is B a number? No, B is not a number. So we're going to have to find out what's going on there. No! Yes, that's right. It is not a number. Very good. So we're going to write an expression or just a word problem for the number of arm circles he has left to do. Okay, what's our number for A? Randy has to do how many arm circles? 20. Very good. Let's see if I can type this in fast enough. That doesn't give me my ding. Sometimes it will. Ah, yeah, there we are. 20. Okay. And we will, I can get it there. Minus 20 minus what? How many? We don't know. Very good. We don't know. So here we are simply going to put B. Very good. So our expression is what? 20 minus B. Can we solve that as it is? No, we can't because we cannot subtract a letter from a number. All right, let's go on to our next step. Randy has done 12 arm circles so far. How many arm circles has Randy done so far? 12. Very good. Okay, so we already know what A. Yes, we already know what A is. What is A? Can someone remind me? Very good. I can't type that in there fast enough. It keeps dinging me. Yes, 20 minus B. And for B, we know that Randy has done how many arm circles now? 12. Very good. So here, 12. 20 minus 12. Now that is our expression, or what we would say our word problem. And to simplify this, we simply have to solve it. We have to do the subtraction. And we want to know what 20 minus 12 is. So this is an opportunity for you guys. We don't really have any manipulatives on this page, but you might have some in front of you. I know we've got some down here. So we're going to figure out what 20 minus 12 is. If you want to type your answer in the chat bar, you're free to do so. 20 minus 12. Looking for the right answer. Can someone help Miss Faulkner? She's got some manipulatives and ready to roll. I'm sure you guys are too down there with Miss Joyner. 20 minus 12. I am waiting for that first answer.
8.
Ooh, somebody's on it. Okay, let's see what we got down here. Thank you guys for giving us that. We'll see what we come up with down here. I do think you're right, but we want to give our guys a chance to work it out. You think so? You agree with that? Thumbs up? Good job. All right. What do we have? 8. All right. So 8 seems to be the going answer. Let's plug it in. Yay! Awesome. Good work, guys. 20 minus 12 equals 8. So, how many arm circles did Randy have left to do? 8? Very good. Good job. Okay, let's go and see what we have next. Okay, Randy is doing arm circles at the gym. Randy has to do 20 arm circles. So we know for A, what number will we plug in here? Very good. Let's see if I can get it quick enough. Almost. 20 minus how many? Very good. B. We don't know yet. Then if we read a little further, we find out that Randy has done 12 arm circles so far. So for B, instead of B, that number now becomes what? That now becomes 20 minus 12. I'm so sorry I don't do that quick enough and I keep getting that ding. 20 minus 12, and we already solved that, and you guys said the answer is
8.
very good. 20 minus 12.
What does 8 start with?
8 starts with the letter E. Thank you so much for asking.
E.
Yes, it does. Okay, good job, guys. All right, try one more. And this time, talking about Raj, and he is starting jump ropes. So it's all about
What?
activity. Randy was doing
What you
arms,
say?
getting all warmed up, and Raj is going to sort some jump ropes. Okay. For A, Raj has 8
E.
jump ropes to sort. Is A a number?
A jump rope.
No, A is not a number. It is a letter. B, he has sorted 6 jump ropes so far. So we are going to write an expression for the number of jump ropes that he has left to sort. Remember, anytime we see what someone has left, that means we are going to be doing, what's this operation? Minus, or what's another term? Subtraction. Very good. Okay, so for A, do we know how many? No, we don't know. So here we are going to put A. We will bring down our subtraction symbol. And for B, we have a number. How many has he sorted so far? 6. Very good.
6.
He sorted 6. So our expression that we have written is A minus 6. Well, A is a letter and 6 is a number. So can we solve this? No, we can't. We need a number in place of the A. Okay, let's read down a little further. Raj has 15 jump ropes to sort. So for A, we are going to plug in the number 15. I'm going to get quick enough one minus. All right, we already know that B is what? 6. Very good. Thank you so much. B is 6. So our expression then becomes 15 minus 6. Does anyone know what 15 minus 6 is right off the bat? If
9.
Whoa. Okay, very good. We got one answer.
My voice is getting loud.
Yes, it is. Let's remember to talk in a soft voice. Let's see what we got down here.
Why is the voice in my head?
All right. Mhm. We're still working down here. Everybody's trying to figure it out.
What? Type 9.
I'm very good. Okay. All right. Let's see if that is our correct answer. We got 9 from Miss Joyner's room and 9 from our room. Correct. The answer is 9. Very good. All right, guys. There is the same. Yeah. Is that the same one? Yeah, it is. Okay. So, I'm going to read through this one and I want you guys to fill it in for me. I want you to chime in. Okay. Let's see. I want to make sure I can hear everyone. All righty.
Raj is sorting jump ropes.
Raj is sorting jump ropes.
A. Raj has A. Jump ropes to sort.
Raj has A jump ropes to sort. So for A, what will I put here? Thank you. Our minus symbol comes down for subtraction.
B. He has sorted 6 jump ropes so far.
How many jump ropes has Raj sorted so far? 6. So for B, we will put 6. A minus 6.
Raj has 15 jump ropes to sort. How many jump ropes does he have left to sort?
Okay, Raj has 15 jump ropes to sort. So for A, what will we put place here? 15, very good. And we will subtract how many from that? 6, very good. And 15 minus 6, as you guys told us before, is? Very good. Oh, awesome, guys. Okay, I know it's been a minute since you've done that, but I think you guys did a great job. And so tomorrow we're going to pick up with some more practice for this. Yeah, we're going to do some more of these expressions, okay? All right, so from here on, you can go ahead and complete your Explore Math, which should be your trip budget to Morgantown with Dion, and then also your News to You Math, which is the Great Kindness Challenge, and you'll just be figuring out which is the greater set in that math today. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Again, welcome back, and let's make today a great day. All right, take care, guys.